Hey there, it's time for Trending Now. Happy Monday. Okay, notice how I'm being so quiet because everyone's recovering from a long weekend? Very demure, very thoughtful. Not sorry actually. Okay, moving on. I actually have a lot of couples tea today. So the first one is, did you know Dakota Johnson and Coldplay's Chris Martin were dating since 7 years? No, I didn't know. They were speculated to have broken up, but they confirmed that they're not breaking up. I think it's a score on both sides. I actually like them together. What do you think? Comment down below. Okay, moving on. Second couple, Sabrina Carpenter and Barry Keoghan have broken up. Oh my god, that's really sad. Now she can finally say, "Don't embarrass me, mother trucker." Okay, sorry. Moving on to the third one. Guess what? Doja Cat and Stranger Things' star Joseph Quinn are dating. They were spotted in London being all cutesy and holding hands in a very innovative manner. Look at this. But it's actually not strange because she had manifested this. So about a year ago, she had DM'd on Instagram. She had DM'd Noah Schnapp, which is also a co-star in Stranger Things, saying that she wants Joseph to hit her up. Now, Noah being a dick, you know what he did? He posted a private conversation of theirs on TikTok for 20 billion people to watch. Of course, it was deleted later on, but that was really rude of you. But guess what? It all ended well because they are dating and it's so cute. I honestly think that's very strange, but whatever Doja is doing to manifest things, good for her. I would like to do it as well. Except I don't want to sell my soul to the devil. Sorry. Speaking of cute couples, did you think that Taylor and Travis Kelce were cute? We'll make you think again. So Swifties have been waiting to spot a ring on Taylor's hand from a very long time because, of course, they're super cute and the next step is engagement. But inside sources confirm that they will not be getting engaged unless there is a solid prenup in place. Because, of course, there is money involved, huge monies on both sides. So it's a smart decision. What do you think? What do you think about a prenup though? Comment down below. Even if you don't know meaning of a prenup, it's okay. Comment down below. I will tell you. Okay, that's it. A lot of couples on Trending Now today. We'll see you again tomorrow, and before I leave, like, share, comment, subscribe. And one thing I would like to not recommend is watching It Ends With Us, the movie, because oh my god, don't give in to this power trip of Blake Lively. I can go on and on about this, and I have shared some very strong opinions on this on my last Trending Now. So if you've missed out, then go ahead and watch that, because I am team Justin Baldoni here, okay? I think everyone, the masses are team Justin, because everyone sees through Serena Vander Lively right now. Anyway, have a great Monday. Okay, my editor is going to yell at me right now, so I've got to go. But she does a great job. So shout out to Akriti and like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye.
94.3 Radio 1.